This video will walk you through how to install Symphony OCR. You will be provided with a link to download the installer by our operations team here at Trumpet. I've gone ahead and done that download and placed it on my desktop. To install Symphony OCR, I simply double-click on the installer. Confirm the UAC prompt by selecting Yes. Then the installation wizard will open. Choose Next to continue. Agree to the software licensing agreement. Leave the destination folder alone and click Next. Now you have the option. You can either run as a logged-in user or run as a Windows service. Select the appropriate radio button. If you opt to run as a Windows service, you'll need the domain and username for the service and the password for that domain and user. Choose Next. Now the engine will begin to download. The first time you install Symphony OCR, it will automatically begin this process of downloading the Symphony OCR engine. This is a separate installer because it doesn't change very often and is fairly large. Subsequently, when you do minor updates that don't include a change to the engine, we want to make that faster for you. What you're seeing now is the installation of the engine. Because downloading that engine takes a while, I've skipped ahead. Now you're noticing it extracting the engine. This again takes a few minutes, but isn't as overly bearing to watch. If you'd like to see exactly what it's doing, you can click Show Details here as it scrolls through. Symphony OCR is now installed. If you leave this checkbox checked and choose Finish, you'll see Symphony OCR on the screen.